Want to conquer your freelance finances and make tax season a breeze? Let's dive into QuickBooks Self Employed. First, we'll tackle incoming cash. Navigate to the Income tab here. You can easily add your earnings by clicking the Add Income button. You'll select the source, like a client or project. Enter the amount and the date you received the payment. QuickBooks makes it simple to keep a clear record of every dollar earned. Next, let's manage your outgoings. Go to the Expenses tab. This is where you categorize every business-related cost. Click Add Expense. You can manually input details or even snap a photo of your receipt using the mobile app. Choose the correct category. €, think office supplies, travel, or software. €, to ensure accurate tax deductions later. The mobile app is a game changer for on-the-go expense tracking. Simply snap a picture of your receipt, and QuickBooks will help you categorize it automatically, pulling key information for you. It's a fantastic way to avoid losing those important slips of paper. Now for the best part, tax preparation. QuickBooks Self-Employed generates a clear tax summary report. This report breaks down your income, deductible expenses, and even estimates your self-employment tax. It's your go-to resource when it's time to file, making tax preparation significantly less stressful. By consistently tracking your income and expenses within QuickBooks Self-Employed, you're building a strong foundation for financial clarity and making tax time a smooth, predictable process. Start simplifying your freelance finances today.